Hey, it's Adrienne and Dan with Corner Post Meats, coming to you from the pasture. Just wanted to chat about going to the grocery store, getting tasty meat, leaving the house, all that fun stuff. That right now it feels like it gets sketchier by the day to leave your house. And even if you do, there's no guarantee that the grocery store has what you need. So it seems like a perfect time to not leave your front porch. And just have all your tasty meat shipped right to your front door. But be mindful about the sorts of tasty meat that you get.
So what does mindful meat mean, right? So that's something that we cooked up here at Corner Post Meats to kind of cut the bullshit on all of the confusing terms that are out there, whether it's organic or all natural or free range. Most of us, including us, don't really. What all that stuff really means is really up for way too much interpretation. So the meat we have at Corner Post Meats is what we call mindful. And that means that the animals are raised out on the land all the time where they're supposed to be. The other piece of that is that we have insane standards. Is plain and simple. Is so that how the animals are treated every day, how and where we graze them on the land, all that stuff we nerd out as ranchers, really goes beyond just plain and simple one label. And that's kind of the two main pieces of it. And really, we just cut the bullshit out of it. Animals, as you can see, they're coming in behind us. And we ship it nationwide. So whether it's beef, lamb, chicken, pork, fish, the fish don't come from the land, but
they come from a great source.
They come from excellent fishing practices. And we ship it nationwide, folks, right to your front door right now. We've got plenty of stuff in stock. We'll ship it right to you. Alrighty. Thank you.
Have a great one.